Hello. It's Shark Week. I'm not going to the beach. It's Shark Week. Yeah. Who is this, Mr. Hooper? Shut up! No, I cannot hear you. Please walk outside. No, it's not Corey. It's Gloria. No, my baby's sleeping. No, you be quiet. My baby's sleeping. Oh, yes, she is. Oh, yes, I think Mr. Hooper babysit. You're gonna... Yeah, Shark Week was last week. I go to the beach now, okay? Shark Week was last week. And Mr. Hooper, he gonna come, he gonna lick you. No. No, no. No, no, no. Mr. Hooper, he gonna lick you. Oh, yeah. Okay, you tell Mr. Hooper next week. Please go outside. I cannot hear you. Please go outside. Please go check on my baby. I left her in the car. No, Shark Week was last week. No, no. No, it's not tonight. No.
That's it.
It's just like Claire.